We're going to have a quick look at cleaning the filters. Usually clean the filters once a week is ideal. If you're not using the hot tub much, you can probably get away with every other week, but once a week is a really good pattern. Important thing to start with is before you open the filters up is to turn the hot tub off. If you don't turn the hot tub off, otherwise you can end up with bits and pieces getting caught down in the pump. Easiest way is from the isolator, turn the tub off completely. Some hot tubs have a screw in there holding that shut. We've taken that out ready. On this model, slide that filter cover up, take the drawer out, obviously taking any bits and pieces. This model has 2 filters. One. 2. Take them out, put a normal jet end on your hose pipe, not a power washer. Pressure washer will just ruin the filters. And then take them next to the drain or somewhere down the garden, hose them down the pleats like that all the way around, get all the muck out. Then get your filters. These ones have a screw on the bottom, pop them back in. Important thing when you screw them in is to only put them in gently. Sometimes just back them off a little bit. If you get them started and then give them a massive spin, they'll be very difficult to get out next time. You can also use cleaning fluid on these. If you do use a cleaning fluid, the easiest way to do it is to hose it off, put it in the soak as per the instructions, take them out and then give them another good hose off before you pop them back in. Okay. Screw it in, but not really hard. On this model, the easiest way with the tray is to put it in high, press it down, bring it back and it will click like that on the sliders, and then it goes in just like a drawer. The filter cover here, there's a groove here each side and a corresponding groove on the fascia. Pops on and slides down in there, and the filters are done. Then turn the hot tub back on.